our YouTube family. So today we got new music for you guys, and welcome to Vibe with Mike. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. Today we got you guys new music from BBK, Boy Better Know, BAITEST Sounds. Boy Better Know have been in the game for a while, one of the groups that paved the way, and they just keep doing it, just keep doing their thing. And yeah, they got us new music today that we're gonna listen to. It's called BAITEST Sounds. Let's get into it now. BAITEST Sounds.
Swear. What's man say?
What's man say?
BAITEST Sound. Still running around chasing pounds. My vocal on instrumental. Yeah, that is their favorite sound. When you was learning how to act like I was learning how to break it down. Same ones that didn't believe in the thing will wanna embrace it now. BAITEST Sound. Still running around chasing pounds. That sound when I'm counting my money. That's one of my favorite sounds. When you was learning how to act like I was learning how to break it down. The same ones that didn't believe in the thing will wanna embrace it now. Making moves. I woke up in the strangest mood. Statistically, I should be dead now. I give thanks that we made it through. You know what, country with my toes out and my hotel's got an amazing view. Man like me move calm on the road, but you know what, got something for a pagan hue. I'm very important, so I never beg endorsement. This me, it's on site, I'll see when move to your car like a traffic warden. We're living in a time where man will draw you out, you do something, man, the man turning foreman. I'm a captain for Morgan, flashing and Gordon, Henny and weed in my organs. R.I.P. to my G's that I'm missing. I'ma continue the mission. Came for the coin, no ism or schism. Still BBK is the same coalition, and I came for the smoke. Something that I air doing, and you guys can't think to promote. Listen me to girls on beat, car you wanna beat them thing that we don't condone.
I'm gonna keep this brief. You can't take short E for a chief. You can't violate me, then sleep. Your mums will be pulling up there next week. Drake's man kick at you two front teeth. Smash up your new car that you just leased. That's one scenario that I put all deep down. I just wanna make peace. See, I had the problem. I had too much expectation. I used to expect things from people, then I would just end up raging. Big boy moves that I'm making. I had to put on my apron to protect me from all the pagans hating, causing the complication. I stopped smoking weed. True say it was sending me loopy. Catch me smoking my vape. Your girl wants some cause it smells all fruity. I got my head screwed on now. I'm loving the new me. I don't need no new friends, car. A lot of man them I'm moving blue key.
BAITEST Sound. Still running around chasing pounds. My vocal on instrumental. Yeah, that is their favorite sound. When you was learning how to act like I was learning how to break it down. The same ones that didn't believe in the thing will wanna embrace it now. BAITEST Sound. Still running around chasing pounds. That sound when I'm counting my money. That's one of my favorite sounds. When you was learning how to act like I was learning how to break it down. The same ones that didn't believe in the thing will wanna embrace it now.
I don't know what to say to man that don't know about too many man, or if they don't know yet. Man don't care, or man that still ain't heard Nang or take a Seki. Fucking no way back with Recky. Big sound straight facts like Fecky. All back take that light. Man know that I don't blaze, but last year man spent racks on grade, racks on lights, racks on haze. We didn't look like a Hollywood made. See me talking with Matt, walking with Matt, walking from the Witchmore days. Every man in the cinema raid and put your feet up and kick off your J's. There's no need to send shots from running down sets and heat FM blocks to licking down shows at Wireless, smashing up the stage in the boat, setting up shops. You on that? No, you're not. You ain't done diddly squat. Not facial hair or hooves. I'm talking about the booth. How man's goated off.
I man know where I'm from, my doors at door, let me break it down. Man grew up in the ends where any gunshot is the BAITEST sound. Know about drama, can't dodge karma. It's my fate, gotta take this now. I was in match on a Thursday morning, just told me we gotta take this crown. Man in my phone book kid that skid up on ops like take this round. Feel the hate in the atmosphere and I know that it's there, I just ain't got round. Got plans to put them together, I do this one up, you can't look down. Ain't got vibe, don't smile or frown. Spend 2 shells, I grab this pound. Want me in a cage like one of my organs, but I'm a free man, I feel like Morgan. You focus wrong and I know what's important. Looking at me for a portion, man went broken, now it's so awkward. Online to the beef was live and you got my man and your crowd got watered.
BAITEST Sound. Still running around chasing pounds. My vocal on instrumental. Yeah, that is their favorite sound. When you was learning how to act like I was learning how to break it down. The same ones that didn't believe in the thing will wanna embrace it now. BAITEST Sound. Still running around chasing pounds. That sound when I'm counting my money. That's one of my favorite sounds. When you was learning how to act like I was learning how to break it down. The same ones that didn't believe in the thing will wanna embrace it now.
BAITEST Sounds. BAITEST Sounds. Wow, this is a jam though. This is a like, it's mad. Everybody came with their flow, their style, their bars. My God. FRISCO, SHORTY, I don't know how to say SHORTY, and JME as well. I'm not too sure who the other guy is, the last guy, I'm not going to pretend, but I feel like I've heard this song before. I feel like I've seen his face before. But SKEPTA's not on this one, JAMMER's not on this as well. But the track's still hard though. I know this is the type of beat, definitely BBK type of beat as well. Definitely type of beat you hear SKEPTA on. Like, nah, it's crazy. I love this track. This is definitely going on my playlist. And I feel like you guys, if you enjoyed it as well, you guys should add it to your playlist. Comment down what you think about the song, about the music. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click on the bell button as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Yeah, this is the end now. This is the end of Vibe with Mike. See you guys in the next one. Peace. BAITEST sounds.